Want to keep your balance private from prying eyes? Here's how to hide your Cash App balance in seconds. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So what is the balance hide feature? The balance hide feature in Cash App allows you to temporarily hide your current balance from the home screen of the app. This is especially useful when you're recording your screen or sharing screenshots. You want to protect your privacy in public or during conversation, or you simply don't want to constantly see how much is left. So this gives you a visual privacy, but your funds remain fully accessible and functional. So why use this feature? For privacy, focus, and clean look. So to avoid others seeing your balance over your shoulder, or hide distractions if you are budgeting or using Cash App mainly for businesses, and keep the interface minimal or less personal when needed. So here's how to use the balance hide feature. Open the Cash App on your phone, and next you will land on your home screen where your balance is displayed at the top. Now tap directly on the balance once, and it will now show hidden or become blurred or covered depending on your app version. Now to reveal it again, simply tap once more, and that's it. You can now toggle it anytime by tapping on the balance sections. And here are some additional tips. If you don't see this feature, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. This version doesn't block spending or hide your transaction history, just only the number is visually hidden. And on some device, this may show as blurred balance or include a small eye icon next to the number, so tap that instead. And here's a customization option. While the feature itself is a toggle based and simple, you can combine it with the other privacy settings, like disable notification for balance changes, turn off transactions alerts in the settings under privacy and security, or enable biometric lock for full protections like Face ID or fingerprint. And here are some questions that people ask. Can I hide specific transactions? The answer is no. These features only hide the total balance, not individual transaction item. Next, can I lock access to my balance with a PIN? Yes. Use Cash App Security Lock to require PIN or biometric when opening the app. And last question is, will the hiding the balance affect my ability to send or receive money? The answer is no. Your balance is still active and usable, it's just not visible on screen. And here's my final thoughts. The balance hide feature gives you simple but powerful control over your Cash App privacy. It's perfect for anyone who values discretions without restricting functionality. One tap is all it takes to keep your finance private when and where it matters the most. And that's it. Keep your money details just for you. Quick, simple, and secure with Cash App hidden balance feature. And if this helped you, like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.